Hi, I am going to talk about some of the major corporate tax announcements by the Finance Minister in Union Budget 2024. If we look at the run-up to the budget, corporates had expressed two major pain points to the Finance Minister. One was about the complexity of the tax laws and the need for simplification thereof, and two, resolution of long-drawn disputes. In a very welcome move, the Finance Minister has addressed both these pain points of the industry. Firstly, she has completely overhauled the capital gains tax regime, whereby all assets are now divided into two categories: listed securities, which are subject to a concessional rate of tax, and other assets, which are subjected to a higher rate of tax. There is also a simplification proposed for the TDS regime, whereby several transactions which were subject to a 5% rate of TDS have now been moved to the 2% rate of TDS. In a very welcome move which will impact a lot of startups, the controversial angel tax provisions have now been abolished. Similarly, the equalization levy provisions which were applicable to foreign e-commerce operators involved in transactions involving goods or services have now been abolished. As far as resolution of tax disputes is concerned, the Finance Minister made an announcement of introducing a Vivad Se Vishwas scheme once again to bring past disputes to a closure. In one major expectation which did not come through was regarding the extension of the concessional tax regime for newly set up manufacturing companies. Now that may come as a dampener to the corporates. Having said that, all in all, the Finance Minister has done very well to address the major pain points of industry, and on that front, full kudos to the FM for these major announcements. Thank you.